right, so I got it up on the bench, and got it plugged into a dim bulb tester. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but what happens is I plug the radio into this switch, which is wired into this light bulb, which is wired into the wall, and if there's a short, the excess current will be pulled in to the bulb, and the bulb will stay bright. If there's no short anywhere in there, then the bulb should it'll brighten up, but then it'll go dim, and we know that there's no short anywhere in the radio. So let's give that a try. I'll turn on here. I guess that's the power, and then I'll need to turn the power on here. Okay, and I think now if I hit this switch, it should we should see that light get bright. Not seeing anything, so that is not necessarily a good sign.
Hi.
Yeah, this is Grandpa Louie's radio. I'm going to try to see if I can't get this working here. This bulb should light up right here, right? And once I flip this switch on, and it's not doing anything. So for some reason, all right. So I'm going to test this. It's the rectifier. It's a 117Z3, I think is what it was. So I've got it set to proper settings here, and if I turn this on, it should we should see this gauge go up. If it doesn't, then we've got a bad rectifier. And this is the one tube I don't have an extra laying around. So all right, it's moving. That's good. That's a good sign. It didn't feel warm when I took it out, so we may just have a tube out somewhere. Could be a pretty easy fix, but I do want to look at the capacitors as well. So, okay. Yeah, it's testing. It's not real super strong, but you know, this isn't the best tube tester in the world. So, I'm going to say that it's glowing, it's hot. It's in the good zone. I'm going to call this a good tube. All right, now I got another tube here. This is the 1U4 tube. And I think I've got everything set correctly. And let's go ahead and give this guy a whirl. Oh, yeah, that one tests strong. Nice. So it doesn't look like there's anything wrong with that tube. Next one, this is the 1R5. Now, let's see what we got here. This might be the one. Wiggle something here, see if I can get it to move at all. Yep. So we can test for a short here. Yeah, if that light comes on, it means there's a short. So, whoa. There we are. Yeah. So I think I've got another one of these that's good. I'm going to go find one. We'll test it and see if we can pop it. All right, well, I found a RCA brand 1R5, so let's go ahead. I'm going to pop it in here. Let's see if we can. Let's try hard to do one-handed. Well, there we go. Let's give it a whirl. Oh, yeah, that one's good. That one looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and test the rest of them. And replace any ones that look bad. Okay, the 1U5. Alright, that one looks pretty good right there. This has got, looks like 2 envelopes in there, so there's another side I'll have to test. Well, I'm not sure if it's 2 envelopes, but it had different settings, so we're going to try both settings. Alright, that one looks good too. Alright, last tube, this is the 3V4. Let's try and see if there's a short in this one too. Oh. I'm going to did something, but now it seems to want to test okay. Interesting. Alright, so I think I know what's going on. I think this bulb is too high of a watt. You need a wattage that's closer to the wattage of the radio itself, because it's working. When I hooked up that older Motorola, and when I turn that guy on,
for certain things, but
work, so
one of the biggest
this one's a good
things
example.
that people don't understand, including most of the...
Let's go ahead and try this one again. Turn it up, keep it kind of low there on the volume, and then flip the switch. Wait a minute, see if we get anything out of it. Looks like I'm going to have to crack it open and start to figure out where the issue lies. More to come. Before I crack it open, I found another 3v4. I'm going to test this one, and maybe if it's good, yeah, I might try swapping this one out with the one that's in there just to see if that changes anything. Alright, well, let's try this again. I switched out that tube that was acting funny, and see if we get any kind of change in behavior here. Alright, well, it would have been too easy.